USA pageant contestants who have accused Trump of misconduct, as the New York Times and other publications reported earlier. Donald Trump's rape trial has been scheduled for a hearing, and numerous accusers are now surfacing. Federal Judge Ronnie Abrams has ordered a December status conference hearing after a woman who calls herself Jane Doe filed the lawsuit claiming that Donald Trump raped her when she was 13 years old in the 1990s. Now, I've talked about this 2 or 3 times now. Corporate media does not want to pick this up. And even when some pundits, talking heads on corporate media mention, by the way, there is a lawsuit against Trump and Jeffrey Epstein for rape, corporate media seems to want to go away from that. This is the 3rd attempt that the plaintiff has made in filing this particular lawsuit. Last Friday, she filed an amended complaint with a new witness named Joan Doe, who will apparently corroborate the plaintiff's allegations. This dates back to 1994-95, and this new Joan Doe says, Jane Doe told me exactly what it is that she is alleging in the lawsuit, sexual contact by Mr. Epstein and Donald Trump. The complaint alleges in no uncertain terms that Jeffrey Epstein had a woman pick up teenage girls from their homes for his famous parties. One of these girls was the plaintiff in this lawsuit. And there's another witness named Tiffany who provided an affidavit in the lawsuit who says she personally saw Donald Trump and Epstein rape the plaintiff several times. We're talking about a kid here. Of course, Donald Trump has repeatedly denied the allegations. Now, for all the pussy talk that Trump has tried to redirect to Bill Clinton, who's not running for president, Trump has some real problems here. I don't know, Pat, whether this is Bill Cosby 2.0 or whether we should call it Herman Cain Redux or just Orange Bill Cosby, as I like to call it. But these are major, major issues just 3 weeks out from the campaign. Now, conveniently, this hearing is not until December. So some have written to me saying, this is deliberate so that it won't affect the election. I think the entire Trump sexual assault situation is absolutely affecting the election right now. The polls show that.
Well, could you imagine if things do swing and he does get elected? Then you